very good morning to all. Today I am thankful for COE of Patna, Mr. Karan Kumar, and a special thanks to Director Ma'am Sonia Yadav and School Management for this a big opportunity, and thanks for this opportunity for giving me. And today's topic is decision making skills in adolescence. Now start my topic. Now start my training session. Decision making. Why we start to learn and practice decision making skills as a child. The process of good decision making becomes more important during adolescence and young adulthood. The decisions make us individuals get older may impact the rest of their lifetime. The consequences of bad decisions can adversely change the course of their life or of their family's lives. It means decision. It is a very important thing for our whole life. अगर हम लोग सही डिसीजन लेते हैं तो लाइफ में वो परफेक्ट भी होता है और हमारे लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल होता है. लेकिन अगर गलती से भी अगर हम एक छोटा सा भी डिसीजन गलत लेते हैं उसका प्रभाव हमारे लाइफ पे बहुत ही बुरा पड़ जाता है. सो आज हमारे ट्रेनिंग का सेशन है डिसीजंस. आज उसी में हम लोग बातें करेंगे. नाउ लेट्स गोइंग ऑन. द मोर इम्पोर्टेंट द डिसीजन इज, द मोर क्रिटिकल द थिंकिंग स्किल्स मस्ट बी. Determine the importance of a decision by the term of the consequences. Breakfast menu decisions have short-term consequences. If the consequences of your decision are long-term, then spend more time on the process and follow each step of decision making carefully. The decisions regarding a teen pregnancy may have lifelong consequences. Cognitive thinking skills. Psychologist Jean Piaget, 1896 to 1980, divided cognitive thinking skills that include decision making and problem solving into 4 stages. Now let's read about it. Sensory motor. In this stage, infants and toddlers make decisions based on past experiences and their senses. How does it taste, feel, look, sound and smell? Did it work the last time or not? Proper navigation. In this stage, face scholars make decisions based on how it will affect them. They cannot imagine things they have not experienced. They cannot see another person's point of view. Concrete operational. The school-age child is now capable of logic. They are capable of thinking from different perspectives but are limited by a lack of experience. Decisions are still based on what they have previously observed and experienced. Now, We know very well. This person does not have to experience something in order to understand it. They can imagine it. This type of thinking continues to develop into adulthood. Cognitive thinking stages. Many psychologists added a fifth level of thinking that develops during adulthood. The individual's of experiences influence this level of decision making. Number 5, post-formal thinking. Now let's read going on this. Adult thinking. This is logical like a formal operational thinking, but is more personal, integrative and partial, incorporating the individual's life, experiences and commitment to the responsibilities of career and family. The logical decision is not always the best decision. I want to repeat this line again. The logical decision is not always the best decision when career or family is considered. Good decision making is learned. To make good decisions, you must use good judgment. That means you must understanding the possible consequences of your choice. It is a parent's job to use their judgment until you have proven that you have good judgment. You have to learn good decision making skills. This scenario creates a natural struggle between parents and child. The child struggles to make independent decisions, while the parents must exercise control while the child matures, and as long as they are liable for the consequences of the decision. We use values, goals, and standards to make decisions. Now, I want to say decisions, निर्णय, ये बहुत ही एक देखा जाए आसान वर्क भी है और बहुत ही टफ वर्क भी है. जस्ट आई वांट टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. एक व्यक्ति है जो बैंक गया, वो पैसे डिपॉजिट करवाने गया बैंक में. वी नो वेरी वेल, बैंक में तो बहुत बड़े बड़े लंबे लंबे लाइन्स होते हैं. दोनों तरफ दो लाइन थी, दोनों तरफ लाइन लगी हुई थी. एक तरफ 9% थे, एक तरफ 10% थे. तो वो जो व्यक्ति था वो बैंक में पैसे डिपॉजिट करवाने, मनी डिपॉजिट करवाने, जिस तरफ 9% थे वो उस तरफ खड़े हो गए. तो उधर भी 10 हो गए और इधर भी 10 हो गए. फिर क्या हुआ? राइट तरफ की जो लाइन थी वो लाइन छोटी हो गई, वहां 8 हो गए, और जो लेफ्ट तरफ की लाइन थी दरमियान हुआ क्या कि उस व्यक्ति का मनी डिपॉजिट नहीं हो पाया। कंक्लूजन क्या हुआ, वो सही डिसीजन नहीं ले पा रहा। उसको लग रहा था कि मैं इस लाइन में जाऊंगा तो जल्दी मेरा मनी डिपॉजिट होगा, मैं इस लाइन में जाऊंगा तो मेरा मनी जल्दी डिपॉजिट होगा, बट ऐसा हुआ नहीं। कारण यह हुआ, गलती से वह हुई कि वो कहीं एक डिसीजन नहीं ले पाया। अगर वो एक डिसीजन लेता, एक ही लाइन में खड़े रहता, तो वो मनी डिपॉजिट करवा पाता। लेकिन हुआ क्या, वो लाइन चेंज कर रहा था तो वो मनी डिपॉजिट नहीं करवा पाए। मीन्स कि हम अगर कोई डिसीजन लेते हैं तो उस डिसीजन पे अटल रहे, चाहे वो गलत हो या सही हो, ठीक है, उस डिसीजन पे अटल रहे, तब जाकर हमारा लाइफ या तो गलत वे में जाएगा अगर गलत डिसीजन लेंगे, या तो सही वे में जाएगा अगर सही डिसीजन लेंगे। लेकिन ये काम कभी नहीं करना चाहिए कि हम डिसीजन लेने में ही भटकते रहे। तो पता चलेगा जिस तरह डिसीजन लेने में हम भटक रहे हैं, पूरी लाइफ हम भटकते रहे। सो ये छोटी सी एग्जांपल थी। नाउ we use values, goals and standards to make decisions. What is value? What is value? A value is a strong belief, intrinsic, internal or core values or personal qualities that we treasure. Extrinsic or external values are things we consider worthwhile or give direction to our life. Examples might include more good health, popularity, good health, education, country, patriotism, friends, family, religion, money, all the things money can visit. But values are learned. We know very well. We learn values usually from our parents. Sometimes our values are influenced by friends, teachers, coaches, advisors, religious leaders, grandparents, siblings, etc. Now, what are goals? It's a very big thing and very important for our life. Without goal, we can't succeed in our whole life. So first of all, focus on your goal. There are two types of goals. First is that long-term goals. They may take months or year to achieve. It means गोल बनाने में, जो लाइफ का गोल्स होता है, उसको बनाने में महीनों लग सकते हैं और साल भी लग सकते हैं। ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप अपने गोल्स को किस तरह से बनाते हैं। सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स। फर्स्ट इज दैट लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स। लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स को बनाने में आपको मंथ्स और ईयर्स टू अचीव, मतलब महीनों और साल लग सकते हैं। सेकेंड इज दैट शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स। दे मे बी accomplished in hour or days. अगर आप शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स बनाते हैं तो इसमें आपको कुछ घंटे या कुछ दिन लग सकते हैं। ये शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स। If your value is good health, can you name a short term goal or a long term goal? Anyone? there are three categories of resources available to you to use in human resources, human qualities, communication skills, intelligence, athletic ability, material resources, things, a computer, a piano, money. I hope you understand. Community resources available to many people, and airport, university library, community college. What type of resource is time? Now, I want to explain decisions. Means अगर हम अपना गोल बनाते हैं तभी अपने डिसीजंस को, पहले तो हम अपना गोल बनाएंगे तभी कोई डिसीजंस को ले पाएंगे. टू अचीव गोल, डू नॉट प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट. Procrastinate means to put things off until another time. Procrastination stands in the way of reaching goals. I have a lot to do, but I think I'll wait and do it tomorrow. मतलब हमारे पास कुछ होता है करने को, लेकिन हम क्या सोचते हैं कि इंतजार करते हैं कल करेंगे उस काम को. टू अचीव गोल, लर्न टू सेट प्रायोरिटीज, होमवर्क, लिस्ट योर गोल्स इन ऑर्डर ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस. मतलब जिस तरह से आपका इम्पोर्टेंस है उस तरह से आप अपने गोल को लिस्ट कीजिए. दिस गिव्स यू अ सेंस और डायरेक्शन एंड हेल्प्स यू मैनेज योर रिसोर्सेज वाइजली. पहले आप जिस तरह से आपका गोल इम्पोर्टेंट है उस तरह से अगर आप गोल को लिस्ट करते हैं तो आपको सेंस देगा और डायरेक्शन भी देगा, या हेल्पफुल होगा, पहले बहुत मददगार होगा इस चीज में. मैनेज योर रिसोर्सेज वाइजली. होमवर्क लेट अगेन, फर्स्ट थिंग फॉर यंग मैन, स्टैंडर्ड्स. When expressing standards verbally, you tend to use words like only if, as long as, even if, no matter what. Standards are limits of conditions or the manner in which you go about reaching your goals. Can you identify the value goal and the standards in these statements? Underline the value. Put a rectangle around the goal and circle the standard. First is that I value life so much. I won't drink alcohol or smoke. Even if all my friends do. अगर हम समझते हैं including breaking the law. I am willing to go to war, even if it means sacrificing my life for my country. I am going to break out of this jail. I may even kill a body to do it, but freedom is worth it. No matter how hungry or scared I get, I refuse to carry a gun. I have no right to end the life of man or animal. I don't care if you like me or not. I don't care if you like me or not. Money is the important thing in life, and I want to be rich. वो व्यक्ति ठान लिया है कि पैसा जो है जीवन के लिए बहुत जरूरी है, इसलिए वो ठान लिया है कि मैं पैसे कमाऊंगा और एक रिच पर्सन, एक अमीर आदमी बनूंगा. No feeding, no fishing today, guys. I promise my kids I'd spend more time with them. वो अपने kids से promise किया कि वो अपने बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करेगा. I want to take them to a ball game. उसे क्या बोलेगा हम लोगों को? Ball game. This afternoon. The four factors that influence goal setting influence decision making. First is that individual needs. You see this diagram as Abraham Maslow theorized. Human beings have basic needs. Psychological needs include food, shelter, air, clothing, etc. We need to feel safe and loved. We need to feel worthwhile. We need to feel like we are fulfilling our potential. The four factors that influence goal setting, influence decision making. Again, on the second number, individual bonds. You see like this? Bonds. Jewelry, houses, car, clothing, luxury life. And the third thing is that individual interest in study, in music, in sang the musical instrument, in playing, on the caring of animals. Fourth is that individual values, families, friends, money, worship, papers. Self-concept influence decisions. Low self-esteem. A negative self-concept can cloud your judgment. Now, this word is very big word. Confidence. However, and a positive self-concept can be a foundation for good decision making skills. Step decision making model. I want to repeat again this statement. For this, he's thinking like this. I'm driving soon. I'm driving. Should I take highway 5? Interested 94 or just head off cross country? Highway 5 is shorter, but the pothole less. The interstate is a good road, but traffic is heavy and it's stressful. Cross country is scenic, but it's isolated and I might get lost. 4. Make the decision. On the way, I have decided to take highway 5. On the way, he had decided to take highway 5. Act on the decision. I am on my way. Evaluate the decision. Think of decision making as following a road plan. I should have taken the interstate. It means मैंने जो कुछ देर पहले बैंक का एग्जाम्पल लिया था, this example is just like on that example. It means अगर डिसीजन हम लोग सही नहीं ले रहे हैं या फिर सही डिसीजन ले ही नहीं रहे हैं तो हम भटकते रहेंगे अपनी पूरी लाइफ में. Decision making and problem solving. Decision making and problem solving are closely linked. Problem solving, decision making. It means problem solving is that input and decision making is that output. And between this, review. Making a decision is an integral part of the problem solving process. The decision is the result or action. Use decision making skills to solve problems. Get a problem. Finding a solution to your problem can be compared to trying on a variety of hats. You need to think through the pros and cons of each option. Critical thinking is the intellectually disciplined process of actively and skillfully conceptualizing, applying, analyzing, synthesizing, and or evaluating information gathered from look on Kaylee's face will help you evaluate your decision. Practice problem solving. John and Sue met online and want to get married right away. John lives in Grand Island, where his job is located. He works long hours, often 10 to 12 hours a day, but makes really good money, and it is the perfect locally owned company for him to perhaps own someday. Sue lives in Omaha with her mother and near her job as a nurse at the orthopedic hospital. She loves her job and has finally built up enough seniority that she works only on weekdays with weekends off. Sweet mother is nearly 90 years old. Mother is in poor health and needs Sweet for companionship and to run errands for her, clean, cook, etc. Mother has lived in his house her entire life, attends her lifelong church regularly with Sweet, and has a close circle of friends that do call on her occasionally. Circle of friends that do call on her occasionally. She says she can't leave her home, but can't live without Sweet either. John and Sweet have a problem. Practice problem solving. You are moving to California. Suppose you are moving to California. There are just no jobs in Nebraska. And it just makes sense that you move to California where jobs are plentiful. You have an old car, suitcases, and just enough money to pay for gas or the 4-day trip. You have room for yourself, 5 additional passengers, and 5 more suitcases in the car. Choose your passengers from the list given, but make sure you can justify your decisions based on human wants, needs, values, interests, and values. Joe is a mechanic and now how to drive a car. You have never spent much time with him, but you have 3 oranges, and an aunt living in California that has offered you free room and board for a week while you hunt for it. Paul just finished serving his 10-year prison sentence for armed robbery and assault of a family member. He has only a small plastic bag for luggage. Knows how to drive and fix cars, but doesn't have a license. He will pay $200 cash for his seat in the car. Larry is the pastor priest of your church, is your good friend, and has 2 suitcases, one holding a small camera stove and cash opener. She has a cell phone with 50 minutes left on it. Karim has a Swiss Army knife and a tent as big as 2 suitcases, but no other luggage. She's a safe driver and grew up in California. Jim used to run a white mess survival camp where he taught people how to survive for a month on just a ball of string, a safety pin, a flashlight, and a pack of chewing gum. Those are the only things he is bringing with him. Question: why is it so difficult to convince a classmate not to drop out of school? Answer is that means हमारे सामने कभी-कभी क्वेश्चन आते हैं, why is it so difficult to convince a classmate not to drop out the school? Answer is that the formal operational stage of thinking may not be fully developed until they are older, and they may not be able to understand consequences that they have not personally experienced yet. And second question is that, may you, I repeat this question, I hope you understand. May you truly value honesty. He is quick to tell you that he does not believe in cheating. When he was taking this college finals, however, he did cheat. Why? Answer is that while values influence decision making, they do not control actions. When you make a decision against your values, you may not be happy with that decision. मतलब अगर आप अपना डिसीजन किसी और पे निर्भर करते हैं, मतलब आपका डिसीजन अगर कोई और लेता है और आप खुद अपना डिसीजन नहीं ले पाते हैं, then you can't success in your life. We should follow on the T3T. T means think for themselves. का अधिकार मर्दों को ही है, बॉयज को ही है, स्पेशली फॉर द बेट्स। आप अगर बेटियों को पढ़ा रहे हैं और अपने बेटों को पढ़ा रहे हैं, आप अगर सोचते हैं कि आप जनरली थिंक यही करते हैं कि हम अपने बेटों को आगे बढ़ाएं, आप अपने बेटे के लिए तो डिसीजन लेते हैं, यहाँ तक कि आप अपने बेटे से ये भी पूछते हैं कि बेटा तुम कहाँ जाओगे, तुम क्या डिसीजन लोगे। यही बात आप अपनी बेटी से क्यों नहीं पूछते, यही डिसीजन आप अपनी बेटी को क्यों नहीं लेने देते। तो इट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ। You can also give the chance for girls, women to take his own decision. Now I am on the ending point for this session.